So vlogging, you've heard the term before, but what exactly is it? A vlog is short for video blog or video log, and vlogging is essentially the act of creating and broadcasting vlogs. Fun fact, the very first video blogs were starting to happen in the early 2000s, but thanks to the development of huge video sharing platforms like YouTube taking the virtual world by storm, suddenly billions of people were given the opportunity to create and share their very own videos content on the internet for free. It's no surprise then that vlogging is currently one of the most popular forms of digital entertainment and content creation. Today, a vlogger is thought to be someone creating videos featuring themselves and sharing snippets of their life, but vlogs can be created about literally anything. They could be about a particular subject of interest, or they could offer a solution to a well-known problem. Even videos on something as simple as sharing an experience are some of the most popular types of vlog content. And these videos don't just have to be a person sitting in front of a camera talking, like me. Vlogs often combine camera footage with embedded and overlaid video, text and images. This overlay of material is known as B-roll and can help make a vlog's content much more interesting and engaging. So we mentioned the rise in popularity of video sharing platforms like YouTube, but why is vlogging such a popular format of content sharing? Well, the main reason is that vlogging offers a visual connection that you wouldn't get if you were to just read the blog. Of course, photos can always be added to a blog to make it more compelling, but this just doesn't compare to the visual motion that the vlog offers. For example, you could write a blog about food, perhaps sharing recipes and explaining how to make dishes you are passionate about. Although there will always be people who will want to read your blog, vlogging offers so much more. It brings your content to life. You can film yourself cooking the food, share techniques visually, and through body language, you can really show your passion for what you are doing or saying with the viewer. It's a much more engaging form of sharing content. Unlike TV, vlogging allows ordinary people and businesses to express themselves freely in a personal and conversational way. You aren't restricted to a time to shoot and upload your vlogs unless you choose to create your own schedule, and you are also not necessarily restricted to a place either. If you are a business owner or are representing a business that's looking to get into vlogging, this might not apply to you. You may be restricted to a location, or perhaps you feel you don't have the right space to shoot your vlogs. But there are plenty of easy solutions to this problem, like the hassle-free option of recording your vlogs in a studio, for example. Hopefully you now have a better idea of what a vlog is and how effective these videos can be. At VlogOn, we believe in the power of personal videos and that vlogging is the future for all businesses and creative individuals. Maybe we have inspired you to try out vlogging for yourself? If so, you might like to check out our YouTube channel for top tips and more videos on the art of vlogging. See you soon. Take care, guys.